Good evening friends, today we told you how to make a Fidget Simulator project. It is very easy to make in project, but some people try to make the project but they are afraid. Today we told you how to make a Spinner Simulator project. So friends, get started to make a Spinner project. Start. First of all friends, you should delete that sprite like this. You get the sprite, delete the sprite, and download any sprite of a Fidget Simulator from Google, Yahoo, any browser. So I opening a sprite, and the sprite here it is. Oh, I want to try it again. So friend, I have downloaded again an image of a sprite. So open please, opening that this I was open. So friend, you was open, then what you do, events, yes, when I receive new message. Okay, wait for a minute. Wait friend, wait. Friend, you have to download 3 sprite, 1 stop and start. Let's download. I have downloaded this file, so let's open please. And there is like start. Okay, wait. Started when I receive. No problem friends. Friends, I have already downloaded this icon, so let's start it with stop. Events, go scanner, click the motion, and go to friends, you put this here. Let's do this icon you see there. This 135. That go to control events, when sprite clicked, when sprite clicked, broadcast, you see here broadcast. You should type a message like sprite 3. We have sprite 3, there's top sprite 3. Okay, and then let's try with the start, sprite start. So put when clicked, looks, there you saw, and go to, yes, you see there. Have this one 192 minus 137. Quickly broadcast start and go. I cannot see it. Now. Stop. Go there. Friend, with last Spinner Simulator. When I save sprite 2, after that go to, okay, there's that 1 and there's 17. After that friend, point index 90 and make variable 4. Make your variable 4 SPINNER, spinner, SPEET. Spinner is speed. Okay, after that spinner speed, set इतना speed to pick random 40 to 60. After that, set spinner speed to operators, pick a random to 40 to 60. 30, 60. Okay, after that variable, after that there you take forever taking, and after that you take turn. You see there turn. After the turn in the 50 degree or 10 degree, and 10 spinner speed to here. Okay, after that events, when I receive is poetry, set spinner speed, oh wait, then data set spinner speed 0. That's when your game has been started. Let's start that. Start. You see the stop. This start. You see there, and we click on this stop. Okay. Thank you for watching our video.